and say CP and on my penny electoral commission commissioner and conform one if I bear 9 and say and also almost in so many on the share but for doing so ama Ghana for na ansa na omo beba no so na ense ropa ho community na akeka kwesi baby so be kaya December mu court bi ekopie mu America ko bi a from Progressive Alliance for omo de electoral commission court say na passive ropa no and maybe be adase ko yente ropa ne ho asem ye fi say mred to say e wo say omo de sam na ne ye adwuma ye call and so the court nso e kasai omo ahye electoral commission up to December so omo fan to ya omo e de gu akwan ma ropa na me ya adwuma 2020 election no eni no me wa buchi de kinya to aba emenu so e kadan and ye new commissioners your mother ya oba enso nche na de ma omo break akra na omo timi dia tena se no ma to omo niema na ye say ye bo ma baso e wo media ya show mo nsa so mo medi magana fo no na ye san akai wo mo say ye ropa no ye remfi ye na court no nso decision omo de baye no e wo ha ya ben ho nche pati ya hu nhihye ye da fom ana omo de gu akwan ma o pase ropa no na me ya duma 2020 e de ye adwuma ntina nso hu sa krata na ye boko so say you can see who do not be because yeah key stakeholders in the Europa implementation and the better fit never you so say ankita hu je ne betima start and monim ha ya na yira ye hu be bia ya de Europa no e kwa akotunya me ya dum 2020 elections
yanhwe
na me nya hu musa ya na say ya samwana no
motimini commissioner no anyansa wo so na da be na mo so mo makwanya ama sa meeting abaso
yo mini hanse ya nyanni omun endi dansa wasono enso fe ya krata na yes so menya o mama ya sa akwanya no yes no ma behia na ye wo hono omun so adane dia che na yenso die ya gentira ye wo because ye ti abuchi na mu ha enti e ba abatwo no hye ye ho a ya gentira e ya dia omun so behia na aboa o mama implementation akoso wano nti the sedie bia ye de ato omani nti mbetamu no omonso maye muhumwa ya ebeti ye beba ne no abetena se na de ho bia ne no maka ama ye fefefe
but ushe enhihye egu akwamu ansa na ropa timi aye adwuma na ewom sem ne abato komisa no enya nhyemde bia but woni atoto fam hwe ne ma ose empanifo de gu akwamu kan ansa na ropa timi adwuma ebetimi aba ama 2020 mwanya kwanya to aba
yo menya ense ya gitumu se dia ebetimi ayeduma boni be ka se ye doable o share ropa no 2006 and ye passes amra ya ma electoral commission no emprebebre ana se emprebebre ya also be yet to ye we are talking of about 16 years assembly. It is a 16 years Simon Namu to use a young Aquama and say the Hajri Kakra. And it's not Supreme EFL, the High Court. Ejina Soka say they want to see an action plan from the Electoral Commission. And the 12 months year Yabaka Kurium. And it's kayak and ye Kaiwa Yasa Bob Yamo Maya Way say. And when we omu yanke ka omu ho a omu satin fa bibin tutokwa na ntimi ehu ne eko omu all these clauses because our sister the funny you see once a Ghanaian always a Ghanaian regardless of where you are born we are Ghanaian near and you say bibia timi su kwan at any given point in time say untimi ye bibi because always I do as citizen egina it gives you one aspect of your political right to vote, but not right to be voted for. Why should we have a lower a discrimination say let matter about movie and moving into about money. Then why are you telling me to even vote to begin with? And I will share in terms of direct remittances from any animal Mowabuchra. A year chagold ni cocoa any offense or yellow Ghana in as your revenue. And this year, as a minor, the foreign remittances cry yes, Ghana for Chabuchra. That is enough. A revenue, if it's as a mind. And to say a very strategic in how we position our brothers and sisters. Almost here, Buchenia, Shepaya, Faswa. If it's almost some Faswa, it's my boy mine in terms of foreign exchange. Any other thing. And yes, I share the whole thing. And see, Omomoye, that's a man. Now, yeah, Kabi to say diaspora bond. Ghana, near World Bank, near Kodibisia, near Nam China, near Gibisia, near release a sovereign bonds. Now, not for bonds. But if we are very strategic, you bet tailor a bond that is specifically for any Ghanaian, whether born in Ghana or born outside of Ghana. The mope and I pass a mutosa bond. Now, my Ghana. Say, dear, from Accra to Kumasi, send your car bones and who you want a dual or triple or quadruple carriage road. And you want to see it all across the 10 regions of Ghana. Ghanaians abroad can help governments raise that money to make it happen. Bond, any bond, Ghana
for the war approach,
and I think it is something we can do. Yes.
About Ghana for the war approach, no bond out dry and nam ekuta ye kurua airpen. Ghana for war approach, bet me a boya me rezi.
Ghana for bet na boya me rezi. Send an energy catch you. So share Sika or mine yenya in Sika Ghana for. Through the banking system, Western Union, bank transfer, wire transfer. Every year, we share amount at least from the Ministry of Finance or Kotua. It's almost about $3 billion US. Yeah, maybe that's year to come. They better to bottom the bank home. Or more do a business. Or one do a sit down or my physical or the Kutaba and then after the banking system. We are able to raise almost $3 billion a year. And to say, if a government policy, now you see a tailor, a bond specifically for Ghanaians living abroad, we can do it. We can do it. Where the Miami free me to my Sunday, I come on my Madame Kubi. Then the government now says, I'm going to position Ghanaians living abroad targeted towards a particular infrastructure within a certain period. We can make it happen. I said, cup in hand begging all across the world when we have our own citizens there. Obianka, every year they are able to put almost $3 billion US into the economy of Ghana. A friend is saying, if you are making a contribution, then you should also know what benefit are from contribution away. I tell the point be, but I am ready. President no funds and I said yes, son and national. It will call for an overhaul of our constitution. As a Ghana constitution in 92, I did to this time. If it's a tested constitution enough for us to go back and then overhaul our constitution. Because the name of the woman, if it's a side, the boy man, I'm not in principle, he supports our idea, he believes in our idea, but we need the support of the parliamentary caucus to make or to change that law. And that law is an entrenched law in the constitution. But at the same time, we need the support of both of our political parties in parliament to change that that clause. But if you say a district assembly elections in Yajadi, that's a particular dual citizenship exclusion. You better hope you if you say bit mabwa. Because when people know there are no strings attached to their relationship with their own motherland, people have invested money in our retirement plan all over. If interest we discuss to America as against we discuss Ghana the difference is so far. But because of the office or the bus, the benefit will be now because of my opinion. I say we do as citizen privilege and I say a opportunity at the master to match to Obama will be some MP. Name that now person MP and these are laws are progressive. It is not progressive, and we think that it should be changed. But as far as the president is concerned, he's very supportive of the idea. The can say, I said, your phone, Samra, no Mashi, or my baby. So, by Samra, I believe and I know the president is going to sign it.